This week, we're going to be reaching new heights in our pasta adventure. I'm talking gnocchi. In just over 1 hour, we're going to be transforming the humble potato into a beautiful homemade pasta that's going to knock your socks off. And we're going to do it in a delicious red sauce. The key ingredients this week is actually potato. Now, the type of potato is really important. You should use a Desiree or one with a red skin. If you want a full list of all the ingredients, just check out our Instagram. For a delicate gnocchi, you're going to need a delicate touch. I learned to make gnocchi using a potato ricer, which makes that really easy. So I'll be seeing you at 7 p.m. on Thursday, and we'll be making gnocchi, and you'll be making your nonna proud. Ciao!